Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that might sound like pure fantasy to some of you, but trust me, it's absolutely real. We're going to explore how you can make serious money on YouTube without ever having to film, edit, or even show your face in a single video. Make money on YouTube without videos. Now, I know what you're thinking. That's impossible. Isn't YouTube all about videos? Well, yes and no. While creating your own original video content is a fantastic way to build a channel, it's not the only way to tap into YouTube's massive earning potential. There are a ton of smart strategies you can use to leverage other people's content, Creative Commons material, and even your own unique skills to build a profitable YouTube presence. So, if the thought of being on camera makes you break out in a cold sweat, or if you simply don't have the time or resources to create original videos consistently, then you're in the right place. We're going to break down several powerful methods you can start implementing today. Remember, while you won't be creating new videos from scratch, this still requires effort, strategy, and consistency. Think of yourself as a curator, a storyteller, or a facilitator, rather than a traditional video creator. Method 1. Curated compilation channels. One of the most popular ways to make money without original videos is by creating compilation channels. Think epic fails, cute animal moments, or mind-blowing science facts. The key here is finding a niche with readily available content. How it works: you gather existing videos related to your chosen niche. These could be from other YouTube creators, with proper attribution and permissions, which we'll discuss, Creative Commons licensed videos, or even user-submitted clips. You then edit these clips together into a cohesive and engaging video. Monetization: you can monetize these channels through ads, AdSense, affiliate marketing, linking to products featured in the clips or related to the theme, and even selling merchandise related to your channel's brand. Key considerations: niche selection. Choose a niche with a large audience and a constant stream of new content. Fair use and permissions. This is crucial. You absolutely cannot just steal other people's videos. You need to understand and abide by YouTube's fair use policies and, ideally, seek permission from the original creators or utilize Creative Commons licensed content. Value addition: don't just slap clips together. Add value through engaging editing, commentary, even text-based music, and a compelling narrative. Consistency: upload regularly to keep your audience engaged and attract new viewers. Method 2. Voiceover explanation and educational channels. Another fantastic approach is to create explanation or educational videos using stock footage, images, and engaging voiceovers. How it works: you choose a topic you're knowledgeable or passionate about. Instead of filming yourself, you create a script and record a high-quality voiceover. You then pair this voiceover with relevant visuals. This could be stock footage from royalty-free websites, images, screen recordings, or even simple animations. Monetization: similar to compilation channels, you can earn through AdSense, affiliate marketing, recommending relevant tools or resources, and potentially selling your own digital products like ebooks or courses related to your niche. Key considerations: high-quality voiceover, invest in a good microphone and practice your delivery. Your voice is the star of the show here. Compelling visuals: choose visuals that are engaging, relevant, and high resolution. Strong script writing. Your script needs to be informative, engaging, and well structured. Niche expertise. Focus on topics you genuinely understand to provide valuable content. Method 3. Lyric and music visualizer channels. If you have an ear for music, creating lyric videos or music visualizer channels can be a surprisingly effective way to build an audience. How it works: you take popular songs, ensuring you have the necessary rights or are working with royalty-free music, and create visually appealing lyric videos or abstract visualizers that sync with the music. Monetization. These channels can generate revenue through AdSense, especially if you focus on popular or trending songs, again, being mindful of copyright. You can also potentially collaborate with independent artists. Key considerations: copyright awareness. This is paramount. You need to ensure you have the legal right to use the music. Explore royalty-free music libraries or seek permission from copyright holders. Visual appeal. Your visuals need to be engaging and well synced with the music. Niche down. Optional. You could focus on a specific genre of music to build a targeted audience. Method 4. ASMR and soundscape channels. For those who find relaxation and focus in auditory experiences, creating ASMR or soundscape channels can be a unique avenue. How it works: you record high-quality audio of various triggers, whispering, tapping, crinkling for ASMR, or ambient sounds, rain, nature sounds, white noise. You then pair this audio with simple, often static, visuals or abstract animations. Monetization. These channels can be monetized through AdSense and often attract a dedicated audience willing to support creators through Patreon or channel memberships. Key considerations: high-quality audio. Invest in good recording equipment to capture clear and immersive sounds. Niche specificity. Experiment with different triggers or soundscapes to find what resonates with your audience. Consistency. Regular uploads are key for building a loyal listener base. Method 5. Gaming highlight and montage channels. Without commentary. If you're a skilled gamer or enjoy watching gaming content, you can curate and edit exciting gameplay highlights or montages from other players, with permission and attribution. How it works: you find compelling gameplay footage, often from streamers or other content creators who allow their clips to be used with credit, and edit them together into engaging highlight reels or montages, often set to music. Monetization. These channels can be monetized through AdSense and affiliate marketing, linking to games or gaming accessories. Key considerations: permission and attribution. Always seek permission from the original creators and clearly credit them in your videos. Excellent editing skills. Your editing needs to be top-notch to create engaging and fast-paced content. Niche down. Focus on a specific game or genre to attract a targeted audience. Transition to a section on important considerations for all methods. Now, regardless of which method you choose, there are some crucial elements you need to keep in mind for success. SEO, search engine optimization. Just because you're not making original videos doesn't mean people will magically find your channel. You need to optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags to rank well in YouTube search and get discovered. Thumbnails. Eye-catching thumbnails are essential for getting clicks. Invest time in creating compelling visuals that accurately represent your video content. Consistency. Regular uploads are vital for keeping your audience engaged and attracting new subscribers. Create a content schedule and stick to it. Audience engagement. Even without being on camera, you can still engage with your audience through comments, community posts, and even live chats, if applicable to your content. Patience and persistence. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort, regardless of whether you're creating original videos or not. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Keep learning, adapting, and improving. Understanding YouTube's policies, stay up to date with YouTube's community guidelines and monetization policies to avoid any issues with your channel. So, there you have it. Making money on YouTube without creating your own original videos is not only possible, but it can be a very lucrative and fulfilling venture. It requires a different set of skills: curation, editing, storytelling, and understanding copyright, but the potential is definitely there. Which of these methods are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like it, subscribe for more valuable YouTube tips and strategies, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.